Immobiliser fitting today. We've protected this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's simply not going to start up. As you see, if I keep trying, foot's on the brake, vehicle's just not going to start. So what the customer has to do with a Halo Mini, when they get into the vehicle, we'll just turn it off and start from the start. So what they'll do in this is they'll double tap the start button, so it goes to run with their foot off the brake. They'll go for a unique code. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the double flash from the side lights and we can put our foot on the brake and start the vehicle. As soon as we exit the vehicle, the system becomes active, confirmed by a double flash. So if we just try again without the code, a thief grabbed our key when we got home, the vehicle's not going to start up. So once again, this is a push sequence immobiliser, so we'll double press with our foot off the brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, foot on the brake and start. Nice and quick, nice and simple. Customer can set their own code, totally up to them. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.